All right, guys, it's time to get off our couches and let's get into our shops and get some organization done, okay? So let's do this. So if you remember from the other day, we started putting up this OSB plywood over the insulation on this wall. The reason why we're doing that is because we have this giant mess in here, as you can see right here. I am just tripping over stuff in here. I have got crap everywhere. And so we are trying to get this wall ready right here behind us so we can get it ready for a French cleat system. So we can start getting all this crap up off the floor and get it organized and on the wall. So let's finish up our last cut for the corner over here, and then we'll be ready to start tearing down this shelf right here and get it moved to over here on this other wall behind me so we can have this wall over here ready for our French cleat system. Let's get to it. So in the last video, we got that piece cut up, got it trimmed around the window. I have the windows in here insulated because of the winters, and in the summers I keep them insulated too because of the noise. If you watch some of my other videos, you'll know that I battle a lot of noise issues in this neighborhood with dogs, airplanes, rice burners, motorcycles, four-wheelers. It's just a noisy neighborhood, so I just choose to shut it out. We got this OSB wall cut out for the window. We cut out our outlet, and now we have one more piece to cut, so we're going to do that tonight. So I'm hoping after this video you're going to get off your couch and you're going to get something done in your shop too. $36.25 on top. And just shy of 37 on bottom. All right, let's start cutting our piece. Actually, well, we'll measure it out, snap a line, then we'll cut our piece. Don't forget, 36.25 on top, 37 on the bottom. I'm not gonna lie, it's embarrassing letting you see my shop this way. However, I want to create some transparency here. I'm probably not the only one out there with a shop that is in so much disarray and so disorganized. So I want to share that with you because I'm hoping that you will join me and you will get out to your shop and you will start utilizing some of the ideas I share with you here. As well as I want you to comment below on things that you've done in your shop, so you know, maybe I can implement those ideas here in my shop on the homestead. Like I said, I'm just trying to have some transparency here with my subscribers, my viewers, so that you can see that you're not alone trying to get yourself organized and trying to get yourself and your area that you can work in organized so that you can find your tools, so that the little amount of time that you have at the end of your day, just like me, I work a 40+ hour a week job. I know you work a 40+ an hour a week job, and we shouldn't be spending that time trying to weasel around all this crap that's stuffed in our shops and it's disorganized and we can't find the tools that we need. We need to be able to utilize that time, come directly into our shop, grab what we want to off the wall, and go to work doing the things that we enjoy. You know, if you want to share some of your ideas with me, if you want to share a picture of maybe a storage idea that you've implemented in your shop, you can share that with me over on Instagram, or you can share it with me on Twitter if you decide to follow me on either one of those platforms, as well as I'm on Facebook, but I honestly can't navigate my way out of a paper sack on Facebook. But I'll put my links below in the description. So please, I'd love to share those on the channel. Share those with me so I can share them in my upcoming videos so the community can learn not only from me, but as well as your experiences. And I may implement one of your experiences in my shop as well. Okay, so back to our measurements. Golly. All right, let's take our measurements. $36 1/4. And our bottom was 37. Perfect. Now we just need to snap a line. I know you don't snap a line with a carpenter's square, but I just want to get myself some defined lines here. This is just a Homer bucket from Home Depot with a gamma top, spin top. Keep my hearing protection in there. Got a square, got my hammer, tool bags, my miscellaneous tools. Got knee pads down in there. Just makes it easy for me to store, and when I go and do side jobs, do side work, I just grab my bucket and my drill bag, and I've got a tool bag bucket that I grab too, and I throw those in the truck and I go to work. So let's go ahead and snap ourselves a line. Alright guys, I think this is going to close up today's episode. On the next one, we are going to start resourcing some materials for our French cleat wall. Again, if you've got any ideas on storage systems, you know, what you're doing in your shop for tool storage, getting organized. You can go ahead and share those with me on Instagram. I'll put my links down below for Instagram and Twitter and Facebook. You can also follow me there and share your ideas with me there. And I may post one of your ideas on one of the next upcoming videos. So appreciate you watching. Make sure you give me that thumbs up. Ring the bell if you haven't already. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.